Are you sick of hair fall or rough hair? This time around, try something natural instead of using those chemical-based products that may or may not suit your hair. Hair fall can affect anyone at any time of the year. It has become so common these days due to various factors including environmental factors, stress, sedentary lifestyle, poor hair care, and many more. There are millions of products in the market striving to be the best product to fight hair fall. But I feel it is simply a waste of money and time. Most of these products are loaded with chemicals which can harm our hair. Nothing can be better than using natural ingredients to solve hair problem. One of the oldest combinations which have been widely used to control hair fall is amla, reetha, and shikakai. These three ingredients when combined together can become your one-stop solution to hair fall. You can easily find these ingredients and make your very own natural formula to fight hair fall. Amla, reetha, and shikakai is one magical combination which can help you deal with every hair problem, especially hair fall. This is absolutely a natural remedy to take care of your hair. Amla is one of the most nourishing herbs for hair. It offers a plethora of medical benefits and is useful in any form, raw, powdered, or as an oil. It acts as a natural conditioner and makes the hair thicker and stronger. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, is loaded with antioxidants which can protect hair cells from any kind of damage and also repairs damaged hair. The phytonutrients, vitamins, and minerals present in amla help in increasing the scalp circulation and stimulate healthy growth. Vitamin C of amla produces collagen protein. This helps in stimulating hair growth, both length and volume-wise. Amla can nourish, strengthen, and condition your hair, thereby making it shiny and adding volume to your hair. The antioxidants present in amla shield your hair from various hair damages caused due to it by dust, pollution, smoke, and hairstyling tools, etc. Reetha is an age-old remedy that makes hair extremely soft, gorgeous, and overall beautiful. Additionally, the fact that it can be used as a natural shampoo ensures that you get healthy hair without an ounce of chemical on your traces. Most of the shampoos available in the market have some chemicals and preservatives which can prove to be detrimental later on. On the other hand, reetha is 100% natural and can be used daily as a natural cleanser that only benefits and has no adverse effects whatsoever. Reetha is antibacterial and antifungal in nature. Thus, any scalp infection such as dandruff is taken care of with regular usage. It is also beneficial in getting rid of head lice that often happen when there is residue, dirt, and soap left to fester. Reetha is a natural conditioner that is known to soothe the scalp and make the hair shiny. It gives a natural luster and shine to the hair which can otherwise get damaged by pollution and lifestyle. Reetha is widely used in preparing shampoos. The dried fruit powder is used as a foaming agent in shampoo. It cleans the oily secretion in the skin and can be used as a cleanser for hair as it forms a natural lather. The shikakai plant is enriched with vitamins and antioxidants that help promote faster hair growth naturally and help maintain its luster. Ayurveda suggests that this medicinal plant could reduce bacterial infections and help eliminate inflammation or itchiness. It helps improve hair growth by maintaining the collagen in the connective tissue of hair follicles. Using harsh cleansers can remove our scalp's natural oils and hydration. Applying a paste of shikakai, amla, and reetha helps remove dust, grim, and excess oil from the scalp. Its regular application will make your hair healthier and stronger. It may also help treat excessive dryness or itchiness on the scalp. It is also known to slow down premature graying of hair and promote faster hair growth. Our fourth ingredient in this shampoo is our flax seeds. Omega-3 fatty acids are present in flax seeds which provide hair follicles with vital nutrients and proteins. It also stimulates circulation in the scalp, thereby inhibiting hair follicle inflammation and preventing hair fall. So let's see the easiest way to make this all-natural shampoo with these magical ingredients and without any chemicals or any other elements. Take reetha, amla and shikakai in equal proportions. Now add 2 tablespoons of flax seeds and soak them in water overnight. Next morning, add some extra water and boil this mixture. After boiling it properly, keep it aside to cool down a little bit. Once the mixture is at room temperature, mash all the ingredients well with your hands and blend it into a smooth mixture with the help of a mixer. Try to extract the pulp out of the mixture by straining it. Add extra water to adjust the consistency and your shampoo is ready. Now you can use this mixture to wash your hair just like your regular shampoo. You can also prepare this mixture in large quantities and store it to use it multiple times. Make sure that you're storing it in an airtight jar. You can store this for at least 3 weeks and this should not get spoiled. Make sure that you are refrigerating it. That's all for this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. For more such hair related videos, check out the playlist. I will see you in the next one at RiVaa Foodz.